Eating too fast. Take a cookie. If you can reach to the screen, you can. There's 4 left and I've eaten 6. I did nearly die, now I have hiccups. Let me kill my hiccups. Yeah, I'm gonna try again. Oh my god, I still have hiccups. Hey Jason, sweetie, how are you? It's the cosplay, so this is what I've been working on. Oh my god, my hiccups are so bad. With assignments, we can have 10% plus or minus, so then it can either be 2,700 words or 3,300. I think you're good at Dan. I know, right, Tree? How good is it? I'm just casually dying, guys. Casually. For fuck's sake. God damn it, guys, stop conspiring. I get scared way too easily, okay? Like the other day, I saw the name of a scary movie that scared me and I nearly started crying. Okay, I'm not even joking. I'm not exaggerating. Like, cause I saw like the IMDb page. Like, I didn't click on it, but like I saw the picture of it. And it scared me. Cause like the movie was scary and I like almost started crying and I was like really distressed. And that was not fun. Okay, guys, I'm too sensitive. Then why do I have a scare alert? Because it amuses you guys. It's for your guys' amusement. So you're welcome. No, it wasn't Insidious. It was like this really I don't even want to talk about it because it makes me uncomfortable. Like the movie itself is just... Yeah. So let's not talk about it. No, I think you straight. Oh yeah, I can't click on the link. My keyboard's like underneath my fucking computer. All the way over there. Wait, what was the monitor? I didn't get it. Oh yeah, I can too. Give me a sec, because my keyboard is also under tissues. Oh no. That hurt. can't even breathe. How was your stream? Can we get some love in chat for Crystal, guys? She's one of my best friends and I love her a lot. And she's also dating one of my best friends too. How are you? How was your Sims stream? I heard you made Daniel. You made Mr. Shrinus on it. Please tell me you called him Mr. Shrinus. Because that is a missed opportunity if you didn't. I love you so much, girl. So yeah, guys, anyone here who isn't already following Crystal, can you like do that like right this second? Crystal is X-Kane in chat. She is so fucking lovely and beautiful and amazing. And I'm hiccupy. She's fucking hot as hell, guys. She's hot AF and she my girl. She my girl, okay? Hiccups and breathing. Fuck my life. Prunes, thanks so much for the follow. Appreciate it a lot. You already following? Hell yeah! Lewis followed the suggestion. Yes, Lewis, yes! I'll check Discord in a second. Give me a sec. Yes, yes, we are! Oh my god, I have really bad hiccups. So, Crystal is doing a Bunny May cosplay. So, we are doing Overwatch bunny costumes and she's doing May. She's gonna look fucking hot and sexy and oh, you're gonna look so cute. Crystal hosted me. Or rated me. Oh my god, I can't even breathe properly. Hi Themes, how are you? So yeah, we're gonna look hecking cute and sexy together. And we're gonna get like lots of photos. It'd be really adorable. Thanks for the follow Themes, I appreciate it a lot. Need water. I can't breathe. Okay, let's hold my breath.